Welcome back. A lot of you have asked for an update on this, the FBWAX40. Here it is. All the wheels have been rebuilt, taken apart, all the brakes are done. You can see under here, the exhaust system has all been done. Back wheels have all been taken apart and rebuilt. All the pneumatics and everything to support them have all been rebuilt. The electrics have all been done. We've got the lights on the back there. This week all this is going to be cut out and repaired. It's looking a bit sorry for itself at the front, but this corner has already been done. You can see all this door has been repaired. All this frame has been cut, put in. That's all new. All the wheels and tyres and everything down that side as well. Bottom of this door has all been rebuilt. If we come underneath, you can see under the chassis starting to be repaired. The mechanics there are getting repaired. See all the new work in here. So that's the old door frame. You look pleased with yourself there.
That's a lot of work.
Yes.
That one came from there. That piece came from there.
And those are the door structures in the frame there, is it?
Yep, so all under here. That's where that came from. That way around. But you can see it's pretty mashed. And that's the outside skin.
That's the bottom of the door, yeah. It's a huge difference. It is looking lovely. So it doesn't look much different in here, but now all the dials are all working and functioning. So making it pretty is another job.
Have a whole new section welded. This cut out totally. We'll weld a new piece in, down both sides, and then treat it.
Yeah. So that's the wheel tub that sits in there. Have you done the other sides of those yet? Or
no,
this is the first
it's
corner?
All still as it was. Hey, well, this is what it looked like before.
Yeah, that is quite different. Looks like my van. It's all full of all the old parts in the back. That is a walkway off the roof. So all insulation. Are you going to use that insulation to start?
Yeah.
Padding it all out? Yeah, cool. So a lot of work to do in here, but of course it's the mechanical stuff that's really needed to be done. So in here is the workshop where the work is being done. So there's a lot of railway engineering goes on in here. We'll do another video on that one day, but so this is what's being used for creating the new panels. Lots of lovely machines in here. More steel for the skins. And a lot more workshop stuff. I don't know what half this stuff is. Batman does, luckily. But the important thing is teas and coffees.
Yeah.
So while we're having our tea, let's have a look. Got a nice lathe there. All I'm going to say is that's a lathe, that's a drill, because that's about as much as I know for these kind of machines. That's like a lucky dip there, is it? A wheel of fortune.
Yeah, speeds. All your gears. This one's a bit easier.
Got a nice little train there.
Just wind that, and it makes the machine go faster.
Just wind it spinny.
Yeah.
Let's come and have a look at the drill.
Don't wind it whilst it's stationary.
I should bring Laurie from Laurie's mechanical marvels here. I think he'd be very excited. So much interesting stuff. You could spend hours and hours and hours. Lots of important little trays. Look at that. That's a little sheep. And there, look at that for a crankshaft. And it's going to be paired with that engine over there. So what is all that?
That's a 1913 Continental, the engine. It's about 4.5 litre petrol engine. And the crank's out of a 1924 Albion. So some of the parts I can pull across.
Cool. You've got a lot of nice toys in here, fella. I'm quite liking the motorbikes. And there's another one tucked up there. And then up here we've got pretty cool little rumour bits, all the trains. Right, anyway, we have got to get on. We've got things to do and things to move. The reason we're down here today is to load this on. This is just donor parts for other projects. And then once that's on, we'll be firing this up and moving it into the spot that this one is taken. So it needs to run, let the air come up before anything can be moved. That's the face of a happy man.
Goes all right. Even the airworks.
It sounds lovely and it's really nice to see it moving so freely.
Smells like a bus.
It does smell nice. It's a shame you guys can't actually smell this. So there she is. So that's the update. We'll come back and we'll see a bit more of it, and we'll also come back and see a bit more of the works that are going on here. And as you've probably seen around the place, there's a number of other lovely little gems, not the white van, little Land Rover over there, and other things that we can play with.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Goodbye.
cheers. I'm here somewhere. Cheers, thank you very much. I was just filming your crotch then.
Watching my my eyes are up here.
I had it on the wrong setting.